go. First one on the Clash. No oyster up here, so. Man, finally, it's been a grind. It's windy. Yeah, it's been rough. A little rough. Pretty fish though. Really pretty fish. I've been guiding a lot lately. I haven't caught a fish in so long, it feels like. Yeah, it feels like a while actually. Let's take it over here. Really pretty fish. Choked that Savage Gear shrimp. Oh, we'll just net him. He's probably 24 if I had to guess. Let's get him out of the net though. Relax, 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 relax. Really pretty. Let's move this line out of the way. Beautiful fish. Got a little blue on his tail still. Savage Gear right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, got it on the second cast. Yeah, they really stand out when it's solid mud or sand bottom like this. I mean, we saw him from, I don't know, at least 20 yards away. I think we spooked him, or at least bumped him, because he was pushing away from us. So, yeah. Relax. Still fired up, huh? Down in the, let's see, on the pinch. Just over 23 on the pinch, so can't keep it. I'm gonna take some fish home, some fair. That might be, I don't know what that is, some type of lice or something. Alright. First sight casting fish in a while. Feels good though. Feels really good to be back catching them again, so. Get that Savage Gear. I think this is just called red. Obviously the whole thing isn't red. It's got a lot of red in it. It looks pretty natural, honestly. School them. Yeah, look at this. Oh yeah. Man, that's 60 fish probably. Look at the waves they're causing. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. We gotta get up on this hump. Not a bad one at all, huh? That's a pretty fish right there. That spot way up his body. too big, but let's get a measurement. Let's see what we're working with here. 24 3/4. Alright, awesome. Catch back up to your friend. Fish. I hope that turns out on camera. I'm just throwing waves over the kayak. It's quite the school, that's for sure. There we go. Bug's jig. A lot of redfish in here. We found some. What this one is. There we go. Goodness sakes. Oh, that one would not stop. This might be the best one we've caught. He's probably from that same school from the one earlier. Actually, I don't know. He's not that big. He's probably 23. Bug's jig. That black and gold. Right in the corner of the mouth. Alright, relax. I knew that was going to happen. Dang it. Oh well, they're fishing pants, right? There he goes. Alright, cool. Put the clash to work today, though. That was good. Good. Now I'll leave you with that sunset.